In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a man named Henry who had faced a lifetime of struggles. He grew up in a modest neighborhood, his family struggling to make money. Despite the odds stacked against him, Henry had dreams of becoming an accomplished painter. From a young age, he sketched and painted with whatever materials he could find. His talent was undeniable, but life had a way of throwing obstacles in his path. Financial hardships forced him to drop out of school, and he found himself working long hours at a factory to support his family. Years passed, and Henry's dream of becoming a painter seemed like a distant memory. He spent his days in working at the factory, his creativity suppressed by the monotonous routine. But deep inside, the passion for art still burned brightly. One fateful day, as Henry was leaving work, he stumbled upon an old, discarded idol by the side of the road. It was worn and tattered, but something about it spoke to him. He decided to take it home, clean it up, and give it new life. With renewed determination, Henry began to paint on that old idol. Late into the night, after his family had gone to sleep, he would sit in his tiny attic, pouring his heart and soul onto the idol. His paintings were a reflection of his struggles, his hopes, and his dreams. One day, a passerby noticed one of Henry's paintings displayed in his attic window. Intrigued, they knocked on his door and inquired about the artist. Word spread quickly about the talented, struggling painter, and his work gained recognition. Art enthusiasts and collectors started visiting Henry's attic gallery, and his paintings began to sell. The money he earned allowed him to quit his factory job and pursue his true passion full-time. Henry's journey from a struggling man to a recognized artist was a testament to his perseverance and the power of his art to connect with people on a profound level. His story served as an inspiration to others, reminding them that even in the face of adversity, dreams could be realized with unwavering determination and the courage to pursue one's true calling.